Imagine this situation. Your boss gives you a project and you complete it. He looks at your project and says, "This is shit. You're good for nothing." What a rude boss, right? Do you guys know who this boss is? Steve Jobs. Yes, the founder of Apple. When I read his biography, I was a bit shocked because it was so different from what we read in Google blogs. So today I'll share with you guys a few things I learned and liked from his biography. And let's get started. When it comes to business, he's actually a very great man, but when it comes to life, he's a bit rude person. He insults people, he manipulates people, he disrespects people. And also the worst thing I read about him is his girlfriend was pregnant because of him and he refused to accept the child and called his girlfriend a slut. Well, I'm not here to throw opinions about his character, but this kind of attitude will of course cost us a lot at some point in time. So this is what happened to Steve Jobs too. He was sent out of Apple, the company he founded, only because he was really rude to people, to employees, and he started manipulating people, kind of thing. So this attitude actually cost him a lot. And then he wanted to take revenge. But the way he took revenge is what I really liked. He didn't do anything bad. He just found another company called Pixar and he found a way to enter into Apple. So this is how he took revenge. So this is something I really liked about him. Apart from this rude attitude, there's one quality of him which made him stand out, and that is to achieve something. He always wanted to achieve something really big. This quality made him stand out. This determination made him stand out. This is the first thing I learned. We should always have the determination to succeed. To start a business, we need an idea, but Steve Jobs proved that you don't need an idea. You just need people who has a lot of ideas. That's it. I know you guys are confused. Let me explain. So Apple was actually founded by Steve Jobs and his friend. So the first Apple computer was not Steve Jobs' idea, it's his friend's idea. And also Steve Jobs had nothing to do with the technical part of the computer. Everything was done by his friend. Also Macintosh was not their own idea. It was an idea stole from Xerox PARC company. Finally, Pixar was also not Jobs' idea. Then why Steve Jobs became such a successful man? Because he had one quality all the other people didn't have, and that is taking the product to people. When all the other people only had ideas, Steve Jobs knew how to take the product to people, how to build a business, and how to market the product. I read this sentence in a book. When millions of copies of a book is sold, the author is called best-selling author and not best writing author. The same thing applies everywhere. It doesn't matter how much perfect your product is. If you don't know how to take it to people, it will fail. But luckily, this is a skill and we can develop it. We don't have to worry about this. So this is the second thing I learned. It's not enough to have an idea. We also need to develop the skills related to business. This is something I really liked about him. The importance he gave for design. He spent so much of amount to find the best design for his product because Apple was making the best hardware and best software and he didn't want to spoil it by choosing very bad design. Everything about Apple, the name Apple, Apple's logo and the design for each and every Apple product was Steve Jobs' decision. Also, it's Steve's decision not to disclose Apple's hardware and software. He wanted Apple hardware to go only with Apple software. He thought Apple will lose its originality if they started giving out hardware and software to integrate with different products. This is the third thing I learned, the importance of design and to be original. So these are the few things I learned from Steve Jobs' biography. I hope this video helps. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.